see in the world. You don't have to change your whole world. You just have to change your world. Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. So I am at a conference, believe it or not. So today is Tri-Agiles, which is a local conference. It's one of my favorite conferences that I go to every year, where I get to learn a lot of stuff, get to meet a lot of people. But this year it's historic because it's all virtual. All the conferences are basically the sessions are done via Zoom. So it's one of the unique experience. We just finished off with the keynote, and the speaker was Rich Sheridan, and I'll put a link to over here, a link to his book. He's a great author. He's done a lot in his career, and somebody that I look up to in terms of how we bring back joy to the organizations that we work to. So one of the things I walk away today is about experimentation. So change has happened between each and individual of us. So do small things. Anytime that you get to a point where somebody says, "Well, it doesn't work this way in this organization," or "This is not how we do business," stop. Okay, stop. Find ways to experiment. Give the ability for individuals to experiment. So with that said, I'm actually experimenting with today's session, today's recording. So I'm doing testing on multiple different color scheme. So as you can see, I'm going to try and do 4 of it, trying to find the best color scheme that I like and hopefully works better for all of you. I'm also testing out different lens. As you're watching me today, I'm using a 10 to 18 millimeter Canon zoom lens right here. It's one of the, I would say, wide angle lens. The only thing I do not like about it is that the bokeh, or the where it makes it blurry in the back, isn't as nice. So it's pretty much, I would say, a lot more flatter in dimension than anything else. Now I'm gonna switch over to a different lens, and we'll see what that looks like. And we're back with a new lens. Now this is one of my favorite lenses that I use a lot because it's a what we call a fixed lens, 24 millimeter. I do love this lens better, but I want to see what the difference between in terms of what it looks like. Now this one's definitely, I would say, it is much closer maybe, but it has a much it does make a much better, I would say, to me, considered much better looking things, because things behind me look a little bit more blurry than the other lens. So I'm definitely running experiment as part of the spirit of the keynote speaking that we have today. So hopefully all this works out. Let me know which ones you guys like in terms of the color scheme and also the lens. That's it. Bye.